Ho, ho, ho!
Welcome to Cooking with Claus. Today we're going to have a really fun baking activity for you. We're going to make chocolate covered pretzels. Really fun, really exciting. So the supplies that you will need to make these is going to be some pretzels, some wax paper, a spoon, a baking sheet, chocolate chips, white chocolate, dark chocolate, doesn't matter, your preference. And then make sure you've got some super fun sprinkles. Last thing you're going to need is you're going to need a bowl to heat up your chocolate chips in. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to take some pretzels and we're going to set them out on our waxed paper. You should already have your cooking sheet prepped and ready to go with some wax paper on. And I'm just going to set a few of them out here to get started. Our next step is going to be melting our chocolate chips. So get your bag ready, get it open, and you're going to dump about a cup, maybe two, into a bowl. And then we're going to put this bowl into the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. Okay, now that you've gotten your chocolate chips melted, and it may take a few minutes to do this, you're going to want to bring them out and you're going to want to stir your chocolate chips until they're nice and smooth and there's no lumps or anything in them. All right, we're ready to go. Grab your pretzel and you're going to dip your pretzel as far in as you'd like. Now I'm just going to go about 3/4 of a way. You're going to let the excess drip off. Tap it on the edge of a bowl if you need to, and then you're going to set it onto your wax paper. You're going to keep doing that. Now here's a secret with these. They can't get hard before you put your sprinkles on. So do a few at a time and then put your sprinkles. Okay, tap it, get that excess off. Look how pretty those are looking already. Okay, tap. I'm going to put it on my board. All right, I'm ready for sprinkles. Are you? So I have some really fun red sugar crystals here, and I'm just going to sprinkle a few on, just like that. Doesn't have to be a lot. And then my really fun ones, I'm so excited. These are Mickey Mouse sprinkles, Mickey Mouse Christmas sprinkles. So then I'm going to do a few just like this. And we're done. See how easy that was? Are you ready for some fun chocolate dipped pretzels? Now all you need to do, let this harden, set it aside for maybe a half hour to an hour, and then they're ready to eat. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and invite your friends to view this because it's fun.
Ho, ho, ho!